Hello, my name's Ian and this is my first video review of the Automower 430X for the Husqvarna Automower Challenge. We had quite a lot of difficulty in choosing where to place the base station. My preference was for down here, tucked away in the corner here, but apparently the robot works better if the base station is on a linear edge of the garden with access from both sides, so tucking it in a corner doesn't work so well, and apparently not even just in where these slabs are would have worked so well either. The installer wanted to put it sticking right into the garden here, just right on an edge there, but I wasn't very happy about that. Anyway, we've managed to tuck it in here, which is quite good. It's reasonably out of the way there, and it seems to find it fine. It does of course mean that there's no access to the blind ending tract behind it, but the installer said that it probably wouldn't manage to get down there and back out again anyway, so no harm done there. One of my concerns with getting a robot mower was that the lawn is really not very flat. There's various burrowing animals, I think, that have burrowed their way through it, little tunnels, little holes here and there, and certainly so far the Automower seems to have never gotten stuck in any of the little divots, although a lot of the divots I've tried to fill in with a bit of compost and soil and try and smooth it out a little bit, but it's certainly trundling across all of this with no problems whatsoever, though I'm not really sure if it's found this hole yet here. That's fairly deep. I'll probably try and fill that in again before it gets stuck there. This bank here is one of the big challenges for the Automower. There's a narrow entrance here which is about 2 meters wide, and then it gets even narrower to about 1 meter wide in here, and then up onto the top of this bank, which again is about a 2 meter wide blind ending strip, and it's fairly steep up there, but not nearly as steep as it would be on the sides, and the installer said it probably wouldn't manage the sides, which is probably fair enough. They're not only steep but they're also very bumpy. It also hasn't managed this. Well, the installer said it wouldn't manage down here, doing a strip down here, which is probably true, but we may try it later on in the challenge, because I think it would be great if it could get down there. I may need to smarten that up a bit and make it a bit smoother as well before we try that though. So I'll be posting several more videos over the coming months, and we'll see how the Automower gets on with the complexities of the garden as well as the dogs and the kids.